What's up guys, Impulse here. Today we're going to go over how to set up a Phantom wallet and trade with it on the Solana blockchain. Phantom wallet can also be used on other EVM chains and on Bitcoin, but given that Phantom is a Sol native app, we're going to focus on Sol for this video. We're also going to go over how to back up your wallet, how to back up your private keys, how to do a swap on it, and how to deposit funds from your exchange wallet. So what you're going to do first is you go to phantom.com, going to click download, click add. Gonna open this page for you. Then you can choose between create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. So you're gonna click create new wallet because we don't have a wallet. You're not gonna click continue with email. You're gonna click create a seed phrase wallet. You're gonna choose a password. This password is just so that your wallet is protected in case someone gets access to your computer. But this seed phrase is the important part here. You want to write this seed phrase down on a piece of paper somewhere and make sure that nobody else has access to it or that nobody else sees it, because if they have access to your seed phrase, they can steal all the funds on your wallet. So we're going to write this down really quick now. Once you've written down your seed phrase, you're going to click I saved my recovery phrase. You're going to click continue. Now you're all set and you're good to go. Now to go to the wallet, you're going to just go to the top right corner of your browser. You're going to click the Phantom icon. And here you're going to see your accounts or your wallet addresses. You can see here that you have to choose between Solana, Ethereum, Base, Sui, Polygon, or Bitcoin. We're only going to use Solana, so you're going to copy this address. And this is the address we're going to use to deposit some funds onto the wallet. So to deposit funds, you're going to go to your Bybit, going to go to the dashboard, going to click Assets, click Withdraw. When you need to look at the coins, you're going to choose Solana, going to enter the wallet address, chain type Sol. You're going to withdraw the funds you want to withdraw. Click submit. It's going to ask you for some verification codes if you have 2FA linked and all that stuff. Enter those. Going to click confirm, and then you're all set. You can close your Bybit tab now. Gonna take a couple minutes to come onto your wallet. Okay, so after the funds are available in your wallet, we're gonna do a swap with it. So you're just gonna click the swap button here. Gonna swap 0.12 Sol to some USDC, because that's the main stable coin on Sol. Gonna click close. Gonna take a couple seconds, and then the funds will be immediately in your wallet. Now, if we want to send these funds to another address, and we're gonna send it to an address of our own, you're gonna go to the top left corner. You're gonna click add, and we're gonna create a new account. This we're going to name wallet 2. This is a wallet that's also linked to the seed phrase we just made. If you want to receive funds on it, you're going to click the receive button once again. Going to copy the Solana address. Going to go back to this account. Going to choose the send button, copy the wallet address, and send some funds to the other address. And that's basically all there is to do. And that's how you swap inside the wallet. That's how you send funds to another address and how you back up your seed phrase. What we also going to do right now that we've created 2 new accounts, is back up our private key. So you're going to do that by going to account, click the small cog in the settings tab. You're going to go to account again. You're going to click show private key. You're going to enter your password, and then once you click continue, you can choose whichever private key you want to show. You can choose all different chains which you want to see. We're going to choose Solana, and then it'll show you a warning because you don't want to share this with anyone else. You're going to click continue, and this will be the private key which you want to copy if you want to import the wallet to your phone or to any other device you use. There's 2 other features which are kind of important but not pivotal, which is your NFTs. Your NFTs are here, and then your recent wallet activity, which is here. And that's all there is to the Phantom wallet. Hope that helps. Have a great day, guys, and take care. Bye bye.